In today's video, we're diving into a fundamental yet powerful CSS property that can transform how your text looks and feels on a web page: line height. The line height property in CSS controls the vertical spacing between lines of text in an element. It plays a crucial role in enhancing readability and creating a balanced, aesthetically pleasing design. Font size and line height work closely together. For example, if you set a font size of 18 pixels and a line height of 24 pixels, the 24-pixel line height includes the actual text height, 18 pixels, and the additional spacing above and below the text. In this case, there would be 3 pixels of space above and below the text. Let's see how this works in practice. The line height can also be expressed as a percentage of the font size. For example, with a font size of 16 pixels and a line height of 150%, the line height becomes 1.5 times the font size, resulting in a line height of 24 pixels. This spacing would appear as follows. Let's try it practically. Another way to specify line height is with a unitless number, such as 1, 1.5, 1.8, or 2.0. For instance, with a font size of 20 pixels and a line height of 1.8, the line height is calculated as 1.8 times the font size, giving a value of 36 pixels. The resulting spacing would look like this. Let's put it into practice. In summary, the line height property is a versatile tool for controlling text spacing and enhancing the readability of your content. Whether you use fixed values, percentages, or unitless numbers, understanding how line height interacts with font size allows you to fine-tune your designs for a polished and professional look. Experiment with these methods to find the balance that works best for your project, and watch how it transforms the way your text feels and flows.